Every golden sunrise.
Happy birthday, Bri! Papa Rami! We love you!
Happy birthday, Papa!
An ancient melody. These are the gifts we're given that make life worth living.
Bilang tatay nyo, syempre, magpapakatatay ako sa mga anak ko. Yun lang. Promise.
Written in your soul. Hold on to the thunder, shaking in your bones.
As your parents, we will always be there to guide you, to believe in you, to cheer you up, and support you.
Keep on running.
Ulit! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bri! We wish you more birthdays to come. Continue to grow. And then, love your mama and papa. Mama and dad.
Happy birthday, Bri! God bless!
Bitterness will break you, eat your heart alive. But the wilderness
Pa, I know this is bittersweet because you are turning 50 without Mama. But I know she's always there and she is always guiding you and always praying for you. Myself and all of your children, my siblings, always wish the best for you. That you always stay to be safe, happy, healthy, and peaceful. May God bless you more with beautiful years, and we're always here for you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Bri! Lahat ng dito, papasalamat kami. Nakarating kayo dito.
Happy birthday, Pa! So, 60 ka na. So, we wish you more to come pa rin. Siyempre, we are always here with you. We love you always. So, kung ano man problema or ano man nangyari, nandito naman kami lagi. Good health, lagi lang kami nandito para sa iyo.
Sana humaba pa buhay niya. Tsaka maging ano siya, maging malusog at maging masaya sa kanyang family.
Bri, may you always be kind, loving, and generous to everyone. Not just to your family, to other people, but also to yourself. And may you always be God's friend.
Happy birthday, Papa! Ang wish ko po sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa inyo para marami pa tayong beer na matumba. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bri!
Happy birthday, Bree. We love you.